they follow me up. See? This is done with some mods. Converting a vector into a location. A vector into a rotation, sorry. Hello, this is Nyongo and I'm going to show you what I've done with Hazel engine. Well, I'm kind of making my own engine. It has not a name yet. But yeah, I've done something like this so far with some mods and all that. Alright, yeah, here we go. Basically, I'm gonna explain a little bit of my code. Basically, I have a little bit of a confusing hierarchy. I have an actor class and an actor controller class. And yeah, well, here's the functions. What the? Hold on. Oh yeah, here. There are the functions and all that. Basically, uh, I have him included a lot of libraries to make it work. Math, functional, a chrono, and all that. Well, I only use math so far. Functional didn't work, in chrono even less. So, well, here are the variables. The control location, where is it right now? This is for kind of hack, kind of timer. This is for the timer. Well, it's a delay, more than a timer, it's a delay, but I don't use it anyways. And this is where you want the controller to move to. This is like the move to location, the place you want to move. And this is to calculate the movement. If it's moving, then calculate the movement. If not, don't do it because it's expensive. It's already slow with 10 rectangles and all that. Then the rotation. Well, the hierarchy kind of sucks, to be honest. But yeah, well, this is we set the location. Depending on the location, it's gonna get drawn somewhere or somewhere else. And the tick, which means, okay, if we're ticking, we're going to do some operations like movement and stuff. It's a loop from a loop, and move after somewhere. It's not used. This is a cooldown not used yet. Set timer not used yet. Do something not used yet. Not used yet. And this move to function, what it does, it assigns a location where we want to move to. Then set the active rotation, which is going to update the rotation we have. Depending on the rotation we have, it's going to move somewhere or somewhere else. Calculate the movement. It's going to calculate. It's going to set the it's going to call the to increase our location or decrease. Well, you know, it's a vector, so it can be positive or negative. Well, not really. The x and y only, but I don't know how to explain it. And these functions are pretty useless. Well, let's see what we get. In here the things get drawn. This the core, I guess, where things get drawn. This is like the well, I have to regrout out of this, so it's in world info. This class over here. This class over here holds all the actors and everything, and it has this thing has this main loop thing has a variable on it, and yeah. Well, so in here it gets run on the location specified, and what it does is pretty cool. Basically, when we move the camera, it's going to follow the middle of the camera, and the middle of the camera it's signified with a with the rectangle. And yeah, let's see what we get. Come on, don't fail. Alright, as we can see, they follow me up. See? This is done with some maths, converting a vector into a location, a vector into a rotation, sorry. I'm so confusing, I guess. And yeah, it does this thing. Man, if I can do it, anyone can do it. Well, I have some experience with Unreal Engine 4 and UDK, Unreal Engine 3. So yeah, some of it I kinda figured out with my knowledge of Unreal from Unreal. Alright, here we go. This is the main. I cannot spread them out. Maybe I can. No, I cannot. Can I? No, I cannot spread them out. Even if they're together, they are as invisible as it was one. That's really bad. That's something Cherno has to fix, I think. Well, that's it for the video. Well, I'm gonna show my main function that turns a vector into a rotation. And this one. All right. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Sequence. Where is it? Oh, here. Rotation from vector, which does this thing. A10, I don't even know what it is, but I got to multiply by -1. I don't know why, but that made the trick. I don't know why. And yeah, this thing degrees A10, and the x of the vector, unique vector, from, because it is a unique vector, I turned it into a unit vector, you know. And this thing does all of the magic, because if you don't have a rotation, you cannot move something. If you move something to another location, you need a rotation. And that's something I figured out. Well, that's it for the video. It's taking too long. Peace.